Fats-burning foods, 26 foods with the intention to stir up your fat loss. Stocking up your grocery store trolley or digital shopping basket with these nutrient-dense foods will aid you to trim your belly at the same time having fun with a host of other well-being benefits. Apples. A medium-sized apple provides around 5 grams of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes fat loss. And a US Gain Knowledge have determined that people who eat an apple quarter hour before lunch consumed an typical of 187 energy fewer than those who don't. Eggs. Full of first-rate protein and fats that promote fullness, eggs are also excessive in biotin, a nutrition that helps the physique procedure, transfer and burn fat more effectually. Persist with boiled, poached or scrambled alternatively than fried. Oats. Oats are high in soluble fiber and, unlike most different grains, protein, meaning that they help keep you feeling fuller for longer. They're additionally low on the glycemic index, so they don't rationale a surge in blood sugar levels that can make you crave snacks. Peanut butter. It can be full of protein and good fats and might reduce hunger for up to 2.5 hours, in line with a Gain Knowledge from Purdue School in the US. Simply stick to the natural stuff, which does not incorporate hydrogenated fats. Black pepper. A substance referred to as piperine in pepper blocks the formation of recent fat cells. Bonus, it additionally increases the bioavailability of alternative nutrients, conveniently making the rest of your meal extra nutritious. Cayenne pepper. Capsaicin, the compound that offers peppers their heat, triggers combat or flight hormones including adrenaline and norepinephrine, helping to keep watch over your heartbeat and breathing, and mobilizing fat for your body to make use of. Mustard seeds. Cook with the seeds, no longer the sauce. A be taught within the Asian Journal of Scientific Diet determined consuming them concentrated in oil reduced visceral fats in rats. Blitz them in a meals processor with chilies for a fiery curry paste. Pineapple. You understand you will have to put down the pina colada if you want to lose fats, however one ingredient in the excessive calorie cocktail can help you get lean: pineapple juice. A compound in the fruit called bromelain works with other enzymes to help spoil down and digest fat. At the same time, study from Purdue College in the US suggests that it additionally aids urge for food suppression and increases fat excretion. Plus, a 100-gram serving of pineapple, equivalent to about 2 skinny slices, comprises 58% of your advocated everyday intake of vitamin C, which your body wishes to maintain your dermis robust and supple, and to counter the unsafe free radical results of pastime and air pollution. Coffee. A few cups of strong espresso very first thing can aid you shed weight with the aid of lowering starvation pangs, so you're no longer tempted by means of sugary mid-morning snacks. That's the findings of a study centered on each overweight and traditional weight subjects, published within the Weight Problems Journal, which observed caffeine consumption of around 6 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, that's 450 milligrams for a 75 kilograms man, to be the best amount. Yogurt. For years dairy merchandise reminiscent of yogurt had been demonized for their fat content. However, in an evaluation of reports analyzing yogurt consumption and physique composition, greater than one-half the research discovered a constructive hyperlink between consuming yogurt and lower body fat stages. The blend of calcium, which metabolizes fat, and gut-healthy microorganism is behind the advantage, in step with the International Journal of Weight Problems. Inexperienced tea. Inexperienced tea is picked earlier than black, so it retains extra polyphenols and antioxidants. This means it can enhance your metabolism, the expense at which you burn calories, which burns more body fats. However, potentially the quality factor about green tea is that it tastes fine without needing milk and sugar. Fizzy water with lime juice. Fizzy drinks are packed with flab-causing sugar. At the same time, the food plan models incorporate artificial sweeteners which can be associated with insulin spikes, leading to weight reap and bone-weakening phosphorus. Alternatively, squeeze lime juice into fizzy water. The juice lowers your blood sugar response to other meals to discourage fat storage. Blueberries. With high levels of antioxidants, blueberries are effective at combating the detrimental results induced by using exercise, pollution and different toxins. Have a handful as a snack or throw them right into a smoothie to keep your body burning fat effectively. Brazil nuts. These nuts, which certainly come in most cases from Bolivia, are high in the antioxidant diet E. This mops up the unsafe free radicals precipitated by using stress and recreation. Producing too many of those damages your cells, and your physique prioritizes repairing them over different moves, especially building muscle and burning fat. Pumpkin seeds. These are a fine supply of protein, zinc, magnesium and iron, all of which are relevant to preserving your body, making use of up fat stores around the clock. In addition, they contain a vast form of antioxidants, together with forms of nutrition E discovered in few other foods. Snatch a handful between foods to remain full. Turkey. So much greater than a festive staple, turkey is a lean supply of animal protein, which helps preserve put-up meal insulin phases within a fascinating range via moving meals at a regular percent via the digestive tract. Olive oil. There's proof that, as good as being filled with healthy monounsaturates, extra virgin olive oil can help system difficult brown fat tissue, making it less complicated to shift. Add it to salad. Parmesan. Even though cottage is the cheese with the lowest fats content, Parmesan is the nice supply of each protein, to maintain you full so that you don't overeat, and calcium. Our excessive calcium food plan has been proven to expand fat oxidation, serving to burn calories after a meal. Steak packed with protein to maintain you fuller for longer, plus zinc and creatine to support increased testosterone phases and your efficiency within the health club. Steak is the perfect muscle building and fats burning meals for purple meat enthusiasts. Rocket as good as being filled with filling fiber and a mere handful of energy. These leaves are jammed with B vitamins, in order to support you release vigor to gas workout routines, and with its peppery flavor it's much tastier than boring historic iceberg. Broccoli, nature's best vegetable, is fibrous and low in energy, and it staves off excess estrogen, helping you preclude man boobs. Cook it in coconut oil for a scrumptious fat-burning facet that works with practically something. Candy potato. Many starchy root greens can radically increase blood sugar levels, however the sweet potato simply improves blood sugar regulation, even in persons with style 2 diabetes. That means you're less likely to crave excessive fat sugary foods later. Almond butter, a first-rate alternative for peanut butter in virtually any predicament. It's high in healthy monounsaturated fats, magnesium and potassium, and helps keep muscle function, letting you push on through fat-burning workouts. Purple wine lager is stuffed with fattening carbs, and white wine can be high in calories. However, pink wine has been proven to lift levels of testosterone through reducing the amount you excrete as waste, encouraging your body to make extra muscle and burn more fat. Darkish chocolate. When you're going to indulge your sweet enamel, do it with some high cocoa darkish chocolate. The cocoa solids produce stearic acid, keeping you full for longer and decreasing sugar cravings without an insulin spike. Seam for 85% on the wrapper.